Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I'm going to be playing Subnautica, and I made a new video specifically because I got a new pair of headphones. Look at them. Freaking cool, right? You need to see my mouse too. Here you go. No, not there. There you go. Look at that. So beautiful. But today I'm playing Subnautica because I haven't made a video in a freaking long time, and in this video I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I need to bring y'all through everything that I've done so far, just so y'all know. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm gonna do this episode. I want to really get some Cyclops fragments. I really want to get Cyclops because that will be really useful in transporting my prawn suit. And it's a big sub and it's very useful. I just need to wait for this loading screen to be done. Takes a while. Look, there's an Altera thing in the corner. The Altera symbol. Oh, my battery's charged. And let me take that. So I went on board the Aurora. I got blueprints for a battery for a mod. Actually, I got the blueprints for prawn suits. Like you see this thing right here. I also got the drill arm, this beautiful drill arm thing. It's pretty cool. I also built a monopool, which is over there, which basically what's done here is you upgrade and you build upgrade thingies and customize your submersible vehicles. I turned my Seamoth from like white and black to red, green, and interior blue. And I named it Subby. And then I made my prawn suit like entirely black. Entirely black. And I named it Deep Sea Boy. So we're going to get into the prawn, because this thing's freaking awesome. And I need water. No, modification station. So if you don't know what this thing I'm holding right here is, it's a special kind of knife. So what it does is when I hit like a cookable creature, it will kill it and cook it. Just for me. Look, an egg. Might want to crash fish, dang it. I woke it up. Go boom. Crash fish, go exploded. Just like normal. Peeper, 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 peeper. Nummy num peeper. I just need some water. Water can be found in bladderfish. Which, I'm not seeing any bladderfish. Let me just eat these. Creature egg. Might be a reefback or a spadefish. Hopefully a reefback. But I won't know until I get an alien containment thingy and put it in. Why does that table coral sample look purple? Very weird. I'm gonna I'm gonna turn on my volume because this game is awesome with volume. I really like the sound. Oh, and look, a bladderfish. Bladdyfish. No, stupid bladdyfish. Be mine. Yes, I got the bladdyfish. Okay, I gotta get up to the sky. I found something really cool that if you're under the water and stay at 0 meters, you will have infinite oxygen. Hey, let go. Stop it. Floaties. Floaters like to latch onto anything they can and they float. Oh. I thought there was something in my game that was making that noise, but it turns out it's just my dad banging the pot. I'm stirring, doing something. Okay. Hey, look, creechy egg. Nah. Punch. Drill. Punch. Punch. I like this punching. Ooh, a bloody fish. Give me the bloody fish. Yeah, bloody fish. If I can't grab, punch. Punch, lay bloody fish. Grab, lay bloody fish. Here's another bloody fish. No. It looks like my hand is it looks like the prawn suit's eating it. Ooh, another bloody fish. Come here, bloody fish. Bloody fish. My bloody fish. My bloody fish. My beautiful bloody fish. Come to me. Yes. More bladderfish. Come on, bladderfish. 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 I'm not fast. Especially not in the prawn suit. Metal salvage. Might as well take it. Grab metal salvage. Something that really annoys me in this game is that so when you fall really high from the in a prawn suit, it's like no matter what you land on, you will always make sand kick up sand dust wherever you land, even if you land on metal. And it's like I just don't like it. Dang it. So much bladderfish. Wait. Old dead bladderfish, old dead bladderfish, old dead bladderfish. Can I still make them into water? Yes, I can still make the old dead bladderfish into water, which is good, because I really need water. Dang, that's a lot of water. What do you want from me? Okay, scanner tool. I really want the stasis rifle, but the thing I can't do for the stasis rifle is actually get the stuff I need for the stasis rifle. Drink, 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 drink. Let's get moving. think I might just cut this bit out. Alright, so after a while I was wondering what I was gonna do. I decided I'd go to the proposed Degasabi habitat. Where is it? It is somewhere. Oh, it's right down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like barely visible. I'm trying to make it visible right now. Kinda hard since I'm directly on top of it. But I found that, yeah, that right there. But I found that the way to get to it was to go down a real deep hole, and I also know that there's a crab squid down there, and I don't feel too good about a squid that has a biological EMP inside of it. So I'm not sure about going down there. Place to only get. I don't have enough titanium, do I? Of course not. Okay. So now I'm going to use a faster vehicle. I accidentally went into a very bad the sand dune zone earlier. And if you don't know what the sand dune zone is, well, it's where all the Reaper Leviathans hang out. And I was not feeling like having to run in with one of those dudes. Any Cyclops parts around here? Or nothing at all? Nothing at all? Great. That's just great. Do you have anywhere to get inside of you, Wreck? Any inner access points? No, Sand Shark. I do not like you. Get your face out of my face. I'm not tasty. There's an access point. Ow! Dang it. Gonna have to repair that later. Let me get down here. Propulsion cannon. Fun. Mobile vehicle bay. Sorry guys I didn't get a full video, but I didn't have enough space on my computer, so I will see you later. Goodbye.